So here we have a really nice 2008 Ford F450 bucket truck. It has the V10 gas motor, 7 kW generator, a really nice utility body, the Altec AT200A 36-foot boom. So that's just a bucket cover. You can raise up if you want to get out of the rain, or if you don't like it, you can remove it easily with this pin here. Some people like it, some people don't. We have a Pintle Hook on the back. So let me show you how to operate the boom here. One nice thing about this truck is it runs off this generator. The boom operates off the generator. So you set the parking brake. Turn on the master switch. If you don't like the strobes, you can disable them right here. We'll leave them on. So we start the generator right here off these lower controls. We'll go ahead and put on upper controls. We have a bucket heater in here, which is kind of nice. So on this is just an emergency stop. We have high speed and low speed operation. Raise and lower. Turn the boom clockwise or counterclockwise. It'll rotate 370 degrees, but non-continuously. Just have an emergency pump. Retract, extend. We'll try some high speed extending here. We'll retract it. All right, let's take the truck for a ride.
That's the self-check, where you weigh the thing,